Yeah, the swans going wild, do you?
Well, technically they are wild. Hello. Hi there. That's a lot of splashing around, wasn't it?
Were you excited to see me? Hello? Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Give me food.
I haven't got any food, I'm afraid. I've got a camera. That's not food, though, is it? Oh, they cute. Lovely.
There's the castle. There's the sky. It's pretty cloudy today.
Lovely August go. It's the 4th or 3rd of August, I think. We'll soon in like seaboard ducks.
Hello. And that's a lot of ducks.
Oh, yes. Well, so you know, this one seems after the Arundel wildfowl. Yay! Oh, aren't they cute?